contacts, right? But before that, hey peeps, what's up?
I'ma jump in it like this. I don't party with the kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no beer.
I don't know, like I guess this morning when I was making my omelet, I had cut up some like hot peppers and some onions to put in my omelet and stuff. I washed my hands, but I'm not sure if I didn't wash it thoroughly or like what the hell, like I don't know. But I put in this contact and it was burning, like, and I tried to do this eye and this eye just was like, no, I'm not having it. No, like I'm not going through that pain today. Not me, not today. Because I was like, maybe it's the weather, because for some reason it's 42 degrees out here today. I don't know what's going on with South Florida. Well, I guess I'm located in Central Florida now, but still, like, Florida, you need to get it together, because I'm used to the heat and it's like dumb cold. Like in my house, I don't know if y'all can see that, but well, you probably can't see that, but like I'm breathing and you can see like the cold air come out of my mouth, but whatever. But yeah, so I was like, maybe it's the weather, but no, I guess I didn't clean my hands properly, so I had to go wash them again. And it was like so easy to put it back in. But anyway, that's not what today's video is about. So y'all hear Kai? Mind you, he's in a whole nother room. I'm in his room right now and he's in our room. So why are you so loud? So today I'm gonna be doing a review on some products that you guys actually suggested that I try, because y'all see that I do my beauty on a budget series. So you guys wanted to know like what these products are, like how would I rate them. Well, usually my other beauty on a budget series is like dollar items, and we know 9 times out of 10 they're like trash. But well, some of them are trash, some of them are pretty good, like eyeshadows and stuff. But for today we're gonna be doing LA Colors foundation, the Truly Matte. I've seen a lot of people review this a while ago, but I guess I'm gonna be doing it now. The e.l.f. eyebrow, I guess it's supposed to be a pencil, but the way it's made is not like a pencil, so I guess it's kind of like a filler. I'm not sure. And this one I just saw it at the store and I thought it was like a pretty color. Autofocus! It's a LA Colors lip gloss and I thought it was a pretty color and it's pretty sparkly, and it's the color Popsicle Dream. So we're gonna try that out. So I don't have that much things to try out today, so it's gonna be pretty quick. Just eyebrow foundation and gloss, you know, like my usual. Alright, but I never use foundation. I usually just do eyebrow and I conceal. But I guess today we're using foundation. Well, let's get into it. So I'm not sure if like I'm supposed to do my eyebrows first or my foundation first, but since my eyebrows is what like really takes like the longest, I'm going to like, alright, so I got my pimp juice. I'm just joking. It's just orange juice mixed with raspberry lemonade. That's good. Y'all should try it. But yeah, reposition. So I'm gonna be looking down now instead of going like this. You know. So now let's get into it. I need to go get my eyebrows. Like, I have no eyebrows, but like sometimes I just have to like really get it arched because it's just out of control. Let's try out this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. And let's see if it works any better than like my eyebrow shadows or like the regular pencil. I couldn't find this nowhere, by the way. Like I went to Family Dollar, I went to Dollar General, CVS, Walgreens, and I could not find this. The only place that I was able to find this in my area was at Walmart. And it was a pretty decent price because I saw it online. I was about to buy it online on Amazon, but it was like $6, $9. And I'm like, I'm not paying $5, $6 for a little ass eyebrow pencil. So I went to Walmart and I'm like, you know, you never know. Let's go to the cosmetics department. They might got something there. They might be, you know, about something. You never know. So I went over there and ho behold, and it was only $2, y'all. $2. Which I still feel like is a little much. Ooh, this brush feels a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie. Which I'm not gonna lie, you know, $2 is a little bit much for a pencil. I don't think anybody should pay more than $1 for eyebrow pencil. Because it's literally just getting a black or a brown crayon out of a crayon box and coloring your face. So, in my opinion. But $2 is still not bad, because when I went over there, there were some eyebrow pencils that were like literally $7, $8. And I'm like, who don't got no damn sense to go and buy an eyebrow pencil for $7, $8? Now, if that's you, my bad, I'm sorry. But me, no, Lex will not be doing that. Definitely not. So yeah, Like this is supposed to like kind of be like a filler, so we're gonna see if it serves that purpose. Cause you know my eyebrows are like very light, but it has like a nice shape to it, so I wouldn't mind just like filling in without having to like, you know, create a whole shape. Did I tell you what color I got this in? I got this in I think natural brown. I'm not sure if that was a good color because natural brown, neutral brown. I'm not sure if that was a good idea because I'm not seeing nothing happening. Y'all see something happening? Y'all don't see nothing happening, so we about to say, ooh. So what y'all want me to talk about? Because when I do these videos, I never know what the hell to talk about. Like I just be, you know, I don't know. And this is like Vlogmas. I think this is day 2. Hopefully, by the time I think I upload this, it's gonna be Vlogmas day 2. But I'm not sure like what's up there, and I don't want my Vlogmas videos to be boring for y'all. Makai sound like he having a whole party in the next room, and I feel like I'm about to catch a heart attack if I don't go check up on him. So, all right. I think it's time to do something. It gives it a more natural look, and I really like that. But my eyebrows, like that little, I have like this one little point up here that like refuses to like curve like a natural eyebrow. Instead, it goes like this, like the devil's horn. So, I don't know, but it pisses me off. And sometimes I just cut it. Like this pencil is the way to go if you're looking for like a more natural eyebrow look, which I always try to do with my eyebrow pencils, but my things be coming out looking so dark and so unnatural. I'll be looking like the Grinch. So, hold on now, let me go let my baby free before he catches a whole heart attack. So here's the mama's boy. Say hi. Makai, it's up there. No, up here. Say hi. Good job. But this eyebrow pencil, I definitely give it a 10.
No.
I think. What you mean no? It's a 10. You don't think it's a 10?
No.
Why? No, but it's a good eyebrow pencil. You don't think mommy look natural? Huh? Trying to do my makeup. You don't think it make mommy look natural? No. Okay. Kai doesn't like it, but that's his business. Don't touch Poppy. This eyebrow pencil definitely gets a 10. Look at that, guys. It looks real nice. I haven't even cleaned it up yet. And I feel like I don't have to. Like if I want to, I can just leave the house like that, you know? Well, maybe not, but I wouldn't do it. Lately, I realized that my LA girls, I feel like it's a little too bright for my face. So what I've been doing is I'll put a little bit on my fingers. Like I have to use that little because it's a lot. And then I'll take my NARS, is practically done. And I cannot find this nowhere no more. I don't know if it's discontinued. I don't know what's going on. I even tried Amazon and no haps. But yeah, so I've been mixing the NARS with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I haven't found like the exact. Yes, Papa. I know, baby. Like it's been a while since I've like really liked the way I've done my brows. Like a while, and this pencil is doing the darn thing. Like it really is. Like y'all should have been putting me on. Like what took y'all so long? I'm loving these eyebrows. I'm loving that pencil. That pencil did the darn thing. Now we're gonna go on to foundation. As y'all know, I normally conceal my nose, but since I'm gonna do the foundation and it's supposed to be full coverage, long wearing, high pigment foundation, truly matte. So hopefully it does the job and I won't have to conceal it. But if it doesn't do the job in like my nose and my eye area, then I'll use concealer on top of it. But for now, we're gonna try to just do the foundation so we can get like the full gist of the foundation. Now, I did get this in the color Cappuccino. When I bought this though, like I was testing out this plus the other colors, and like the color went good with my hands, but like it looks a little bit like darker than my face. So I'm a bit scared about that part. As y'all see, I got a pimple right here. I got some moles right here, but I don't like when my moles are covered because I like my moles or my beauty marks, whatever you want to call them. But I got some right here. I got a pimple right here, so let's see if it's gonna cover that up. I got a couple pimples up here, so let's see if this, you know, foundation is gonna do the darn thing. This is all I used for now. If I need more, then, you know, I'll just go back and get more. It smells like paint. Ugh. I don't know how I feel about paint on my face, but let's start blending this out. Remember, when you're blending, you don't want to rub, you want to pat. So we're gonna pat. This foundation is doing the darn thing. Now, I wouldn't say that I would use this foundation for like a person that's a beauty guru. As you guys know, that I am not. But for like a person that's just starting, like I am, like if you're just starting to learn how to do makeup and like, you know, you haven't got like the complete gist of it yet, and you want like some good cheap products to start with, I would say this is the way to go. I'm not gonna lie, the color of this foundation make me look like I'm a duku. If you're Haitian, you know what I'm talking about. But like, basically duku is like, do you know those people who like use the like lightening soaps and the lightening cream, and you can clearly tell that they were dark before and that they're trying to be, and they've been using something to be light. So like, cause like around their lips are like really dark, and like under their eyes are really dark, and then when you look at their hands are really dark, and their face looks so bright. Well, actually my hands kind of blend with my face, but my face area looks like someone that's doing duku. Like I don't know, but I think the proper word is bleaching. I look like I'm bleaching. I don't know. So let's try to get, yeah, papa. Let's try to get around these eyes a little bit. Maybe that'll get rid of some of the duku look. I don't know, but that's what we're gonna try to do. Hopefully it does not mess with my contact. You okay there, buddy? You okay there?
No.
I know, because you only have a gas to air for a second there, dog. His favorite word is no. Is no. Or he goes, uh-oh. Or he's like, let's go. Go, let's go. Like when we're leaving.
Go.
Yeah, you ready to go? Or like when he wants you to put on his shoes and he wants to go play outside, he'd be like, here, shoes. Let's go. Like, no shoes right now. We're not going outside. It's freezing. It's 42 degrees outside, sir. I look so bright, and that's like that gorgeous daylight lighting that we got going on outside right now. So this is not the finished look, but here's how the foundation is looking. Let me know what you guys think. Makai, can you go close the door, please? Alpha potla. Go close the door. Go close the door. Thank you. My baby's smart, y'all. Close the door behind you. Close the door. Close the door. Please. Close the door. Thank you. It's not bad, but like, it's not like those foundations where you're like, wow. You know? Like, I can still see my pimple here. I can still see the pimples on my forehead. My glasses marks though, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can a little bit, so I'm gonna go back over with my NARS concealer. So I'm gonna use this concealer to brighten up under my eyes, and sorry guys, I'm trying to brighten up under my eyes and to conceal my nose. I'm not trying to get the snatch nose like they do in the videos. I just need my glasses marked covered. But I feel like this concealer is a little too bright for me. So that's why I usually use the NARS. But the NARS is looking rosy with this foundation. So I kind of have to use this one just to brighten up under my eyes a little bit. Which I feel like this is doing a darn good job of that. Okay, this is... Alright, so it don't seem so bright. Because normally I just conceal without using foundation. I guess that's probably why. Like, I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. I guess that's probably why it looks so bright against my skin. But right now it's not looking bright, and my face is not looking, well, under my eyes is looking a bit ashy now that I'm looking at you guys, but it's not looking ashy in my mirror. Can you stop touching, mister?
Oh no!
Thank you. Give me this. Let's see what this gloss looking like. Look at this, y'all. I also got this at the Family Dollar for $1. Look at that tip. Y'all see that tip? Look at that tip. I also got this at Family Dollar for $1. Okay. You didn't need that. Now lie. You know how like when you inhale something through your mouth, you can taste it. It has a nasty taste inhalation. I don't know if that's what you would call it. Y'all see that pop? Hey, look at that pop. Hey, look at that glass pop. Hey, glass pop. Hey. This left eyelash is looking longer. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. I told you guys my battery was about to die. I already laid my edges, as y'all can see. So slide to the goods. I did my eyeliner, put on some light mascara. You can barely see it. Y'all know I ain't got no eyelashes, so it is what it is. I did find my eyelash glue, but I'm not in the mood to put on any eyelashes right now. Anyways, now too late. Oops. But yeah, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think the Truly Matte foundation is a hit or miss, and if the eyebrow pencil made a big difference versus all my other makeup videos that I do with regular brown pencils or regular eyebrow shadows. Shadows I use, right? Eyebrow powders. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. I like it. I like the lip gloss especially. Popping. And of course I like my eyebrows. Like I said, this is one of my favorite eyebrows. Usually I'm not always like 100% with my eyebrows. I'm like 50, 25%. But today I really love my brows. Like, sus, I did it. Like, why am I using the word sus? Ew. No, girl, I did it. All right. But again, here's another video for you guys. Where doesn't wear that? And don't forget, this month I will be doing Vlogmas. So stay tuned for another video tomorrow. I will be posting every day this month. Yeah, every day for the month of December until the end of the year, when I tell you guys the end of the year surprise. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified. And for every person who watched every single one of my Vlogmas videos, subscribe to my channel, and you have to comment done down in the comment section below. I will be doing a giveaway, and I'll be giving away a free tablet. I'm still debating either a tablet or iPad. I'm not sure yet. We'll see. But I'll be doing a giveaway. It's either going to be a free Samsung tablet. I'll put a picture of the tablet that I'm giving away here. Or it's going to be a free iPad. Apple iPad Generation 6. So, yeah. So hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe. And make sure you share the news to everybody else so that they can go ahead and like, comment, subscribe as well. So we can hit our goal for the end of the year, which is 1,000 subscribers. That's the goal for the end of the year. So make sure you share it, you like, you comment down, notification squad, hit that bell button. Don't forget guys, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button to be notified. And don't forget to tell a friend so they can tell a friend, so they can tell a friend, so they can tell another friend, so that friend can come back and watch